Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to add a photo gallery slider in Wix website. Adding a photo gallery slider on your Wix website is pretty easy process. Just follow these steps to do it. First of all, you have to go to your Wix website editor. Once you are in editor, scroll down and search for an area where you want to add a image photo gallery slider. And now click on add elements, and here select gallery, and under gallery click on slider galleries, and here you'll find a bunch of different image slider galleries. You can select or add any of them to your Wix website. So here's I'm going to add this slider, so I'm clicking on the slider to add it into my Wix website. And here, as you can see, the gallery has been successfully imported. Now it's time to customize this image gallery slider. So click on change image, and now to upload images from your computer, all you have to need, click on add images and upload your own images from your computer. Okay, now you can change order of images by dragging the image like this. So for example, I want to make this image the first slider. So here's adding this image at first. Now you can add a title and click on done. And here, as you can see, an automatic image gallery slider successfully added to my Wix website. And now to resize the gallery slider, you can do it like this. Also, you can drag the slider to change its position. Once done, let's preview the Wix website final result. And as you can see, my image gallery slider is working perfectly. So this is how we can easily add image gallery slider in Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.